Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'd like to show you how I made these mirrored pedestal end tables using items that I purchased from Dollar Tree. So if you're interested, then just keep watching. For this project, I used 8 of the 8x10 mirrored frames, as well as 8 of the square mirrored candle holders. I used craft sticks, some of these 1-inch mirrors, and gemstones that I purchased from Michael's, as well as my fix-all adhesive, glue gun, and glue sticks. I'll leave the complete list of everything that I used down in the description box. So the first thing I did was remove the tabs and stickers from the back of my square candle holders, and I used my strong adhesive, hot glue, and craft sticks to attach those 4 mirrors together. I left about 1.5 inches of empty space around my mirrors, and then I added a second layer of the craft sticks in the opposite direction. I then repeated those steps with my 4 remaining square mirrored candle holders, but for this piece I only added 1 layer because this is the bottom of my pedestal and I wanted the piece to be as flat as possible. Next, I removed the 8x10 mirrors from their frames, and then I used a combination of the strong adhesive and hot glue to attach 4 of those mirrors together. Here you see me adding the strong adhesive to both sides of my 4th mirror. I then placed this mirror right on top, and then I used some painter's tape to hold the box in place while I added some additional hot glue to the inside of my mirrors. I made a second piece just like this one using my 4 remaining 8x10 mirrors, and then I slid those 2 pieces together and used my same painter's tape to help hold those in place while I used my strong adhesive and hot glue to attach craft sticks inside of those mirrors to hold them together. I allowed that to dry for about 20 minutes, and then I stood my design up, added some of the strong adhesive to the top of those mirrors, and then flipped it over and placed it on top of the bottom piece of my pedestal. I then added some additional strong adhesive. Because the Fix-All adhesive does not have a narrow tip, this step got a little messy, but I did wipe away any excess glue before moving on to the next step. I again added Fix-All adhesive to the top edges of my design, and then I just placed my pedestal top right on top of that. Once my top piece was placed, I waited for about 20 minutes for that glue to set, and then I flipped my design upside down and I added hot glue around the perimeter of the piece that I just added. I then allowed my entire piece to dry overnight, and then the next day I was ready to decorate my pedestal. To keep this project 100% Dollar Tree, I could have used some of the diamond wrap or some of the Dollar Tree ribbon, but instead I decided to use some of these 1-inch mirrors that I purchased from Michael's. I'll put the details down in the description box, but these pieces were super inexpensive, and I think that they added to the overall look of my design. I used a combination of the strong adhesive and the hot glue to attach all of my small mirrors. And finally, to add a little bit more sparkle to my design, I also used hot glue to attach some gemstones to the design as well. I also added some of the gemstones to the mirrors in the center of my pedestals. To complete the project, I again cleaned my mirrors by removing any excess glue strings or strong adhesive, and here was my finished look. I really love how these pedestal end tables turned out. I actually made 2 of them, and I plan to add them to each end of the sectional in my living room. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If so, please like, comment, and share. And if you're new to my channel, please subscribe and be sure to turn on your notifications so that you don't miss my next video. Remember, I upload new videos every single week. So until next time, guys, bye.